Hello. Okay, so I have a file open here, as you can see in ProjectWise, so I'm just going to close it. Um, so this video, if ProjectWise for some reason acting funky for you, meaning you double click on it, you double click on a file for it to open, and it takes a long time, or it doesn't open, or something. Sometimes it glitches. So I recommend do the following things. Okay, you can right click on the file, whatever that file is that you've been using. Start like this. You see, a Purge local copy. What is this going to do is going to go to where this file dropped in your C drive and delete it. There are something else called also Purge workspace. You can click on this one here and do Purge workspace. So right now, the workspace for this project that is supposed to be here, I'm going to show you where. Let's go to your C drive, and then let's go to the PW work. And I have multiple data sources here, but this is the one, the RSNH PW. As you can see, this RSNH PW here, and this is the P user. So all these, these folders are the ones are here tied in by the folder ID. So 50862. So whatever it's here, it's already deleted. The same thing for the workspace. So that's usually help. I will tell you, yeah, purge the local file and purge workspace, and then exit and come back and work. And then when you come back, let's see, double click on it again. As you can see, it's going to bring the file again to your ProjectWise and start bringing again the configuration files. As you see, it's bringing all these because all these has been deleted when I did the purge. So that's usually help. So I'm just going to stop this process. I'm just going to clear crash because we don't want to do that. That's okay. Okay. But I also want you to see that there are actually another way to do purge the local files and also purge workspace, which I heard some people say actually this is a better way. But don't do this unless you want to like take everything. So for example, right now, this file is not checked in, right? Let me exit and come back. Let's go back again to see it. Well, you see, it looks like it is checked in because sometimes this interface glitches. But what does not glitch is this. Let me go back. Oh. What does not glitch is this. You can go to tools, like I said, let me show you what it is. Tools, local document organizer. See, you can see it here. So you can just click on it and let's just free it. And then after that, if you want to really do like a full reset, reboot for ProjectWise from beginning to end, meaning next time you're going to open it, it's going to bring everything fresh for everything. You go here to this one that is called the workspace copies. So all these are the workspace copies, basically the configuration files for whatever I've been working on. And as you can see right now, I have these. And I only have 12 objects. But in yours, you might have a lot, 100, 200, if you've never done this before. So try this. Just click on one of them and then do Control-A in your keyboard. It will select all of them. Or just select them by hand like this, or just select them like this by Shift and go down. But the easiest way, click on one of them and then Control-A, it will select all of them. And then do this, Purge copy. So you see, now it's gone. And then you check here if there are any exports. I don't. If you have freedom, read only. Of course, these files are read only. That they were actually coming at some point. See, they are saved also in my ProjectWise location in my C drive. I don't want them. I want to do, like I said, a fresh thing. Do this again, the same. Click and then Control-A, and then Purge copy. As you see, it's a lot here. It's 3,000 something, and you see it's doing it here. If you pay attention here in the corner, it's saying it's like from 55, 50 to out of 3,000. It's gonna do the whole thing. It's gonna take a while. Just give it a second. So what it's doing here right now, it's literally going, like I said, to the C drive, which is here. Where's the work set? Oh, not BBSNJ, it's RSNH here, and opening these and just emptying them. As you can surprise, it's like, oh, what the heck are these? These are flowers. Okay, well, these flowers. Of course, I don't just work with ProjectWise. I work with other softwares and other stuff. So we have this stuff like um, the concept station, whatever. But anyway, all this stuff, as you can see here, it's in your C drive. So wherever you opened anything, they're gonna be here somewhere. So let it finish to actually delete all these. So to the magic of editing, I'm gonna just pause the recording, come back when it's done, because as you can see it's 3000. Oh, it's 3000. Just give it a second. And actually, before we do that, there's something else also. Let me show you here. Let's go back, because somebody here from the chat told us. Andrew, what did Andrew say? Worth mentioning after purge the copy. Yep. Which is what people call it is actually nuke your C drive ProjectWise location. Instead of doing it like this from ProjectWise, you can just do it from there. I prefer you doing it from ProjectWise, and because I am OCD, then come here after everything is done, go to your RSNH, right click on it, and delete it. Right? That's one thing to do, right? So I'm just gonna, when it's finished for this to be done, and then I'm gonna do that. The other thing Andrew was talking about, what are you, Andrew was saying? He said also it's worth in cleaning the temp files. They are here. Okay. Well, we'll take you there, but before that, I do something else too. Just search clean here, and then go to your clean, desktop clean, and then temporary files here, but these are temporary files for my whole computer, right? So I let Windows do it instead of me doing it, but you can go do it by yourself if you want. So I just click, select all of them, bloop. By the way, it's gonna empty your trash can. I mean, recycle bin. I know I have a lot of trash in it, but just be careful. If you have stuff there, don't select this if you still want to bring them. If not, click OK, delete all files. Give it a second. Ta-da! Now you are clean. I mean, your computer. Yeah, let's go to that place that Andrew was talking about. Let's see what's there. So let's see what he's saying here. It is the local data app. Okay, I think that's a hidden folder if I'm not wrong. Which is, by the way, hidden folder. As you see here, I have folders are hidden. You don't see. If you don't know how to bring them, you can go here. I'm sorry, to the three dots here, and then options, and then you go to the view. By default, they are like this. As you see, you don't see the hidden folders. But if you come here, click on show, and then apply, so you can show you all the hidden folders. So this is the temp folder. I don't think it's hidden. If you came here, I mean, I don't say Bentley stuff here. But if you see, you can delete stuff in temporary. But like I said, you don't have to do that by hand. Just go to clean and let the Windows do it. And select the temporary files. So for example, right now I have 164 temporary files. So let's try to delete them. But I don't know if he's going to delete them from here or not. But it's supposed to. But just showing you multiple ways just to delete things. Yeah, okay. Well, just like I said, magic of editing. I will be back when this is end. Okay. Okay, we're back. As you can see here right now, you see it purged everything for me. So let's again go back here and check and see, do we have anything? Nope, we are perfect, meaning we are empty. We have nothing else. But as you can see here, I still have some personal stuff. Like for example, I have a personal view and ProjectWise and all that. So that stuff didn't go away, right? Because I will show you where to take this stuff from if you wanted to do that. But I feel like what I showed you right now is enough for ProjectWise. When we close it right now, boop, and then reopen it again, it's gonna work properly. So let's go back to what Andrew was saying here. So let me show you something. You can get this. Let's copy this percentage and then local app copy. Just copy it, and then in your keyboard, select the Windows logo and R, or just come here and type RN and get the run. So if I went to run, I just paste it here, and let's just do OK. it's going to take you here. It's going to take you, say it's my name here, and you see the app data. And again, the app data is, like I said, it's one of the hidden folders. You're not going to see it. As you see, that's why it's grayed out. So let's go inside, and then inside, I think it's local, right? Let's check again. Let's do run. Here we go. Yes, it will take you to the app data, and then local. Is that what he's saying, right? Yeah, but then he wants you to go to Bentley, and then open Roads Designer, and then whatever version that you have. So let me show you the dangers of this. So don't be crazy, anybody that's watching this, and be deleting stuff unless you are okay to delete your preferences, because your preferences are here. Meaning, so let's go to Bentley, and then let's go, as you can see here, we have ProjectWise, which is this one, by the way. If you have ProjectWise Drive, it's different than ProjectWise Explorer. FYI, we're talking about ProjectWise Explorer. So you can go here. So when you go here, you're going to see stuff here that I have. You can nuke all these and delete them, but my advice to you, please don't. Because if you have like advanced things saved, personal views and stuff, just don't delete them. Just leave them here. But if it's really necessary, yes, you can do that. You can literally just go into ProjectWise and delete all these. These are temporary, just take them out. Boop. And the same thing also for ORD. So let's go to ORD. And you see here 1010. And then this is my preferences, which is I'm not going to delete. I mean, remember at the beginning of the video, my ProjectWise, I'm sorry, my ORD was black, and I have tools and stuff, because all the custom stuff that I did, everything is saved here. So I'm not going to delete that. And I have some other preferences. But if you want to keep them, like I said, you can copy your preference file, save it here, and I think it's this one, save it here, and then bring it back. But if you deleted everything here, it's going to delete everything, and you start fresh. Sometimes that helped. So, and why Andrew is recommending that? So let me tell you. Well, I asked Miss Copilot, and this is what Copilot said. Clearing up ProjectWise local directly and catch here can improve the speed, especially if the catch file are very large or contain corrupt files. You frequently work on different projects or switch environments. There are all temporary files, slowing down the file operations. Okay? So they are methods for the madness. So that might help, right? Okay. So now, I guess, yeah, now we are done. So what I'm going to do is let's open ProjectWise. And there's something else also you can do, my friend. Let me show you. Let's let ProjectWise open first. And I promise you, if you did what I just said, you're going to see stuff improved fast. Like, you're going to see like, oh, wow. It's like working faster. Okay, while is this happening, let me go here to the connection client. Before I do any of that. Okay, so go here to connection client. I usually tell people to do this. I mean, before you bring your ProjectWise admin or something, just run check health to, meaning, because remember, ProjectWise Explorer is a product of Bentley. Bentley will not let you operate it if they have a problem with their licensing, or your computer is not getting the proper license to client connection, and then client connection will allow you to use ProjectWise. I notice that sometimes happen. If something is messy going on here, you're not going to be working good here. Just FYI. So you see everything looks good, no problem. So yeah, just check that once in a while. And of course, for your company, whatever that you have, make sure you have the latest and greatest that your company approving that you need. I've seen a lot of people, their ProjectWise start acting funky when they do not have the latest and greatest client connection. Why? Again, this is where the money is. Without this, Bentley would do not allow you to access their open roads, access their ProjectWise, access their services. So if this is not good, any Bentley product is not going to be good. So always keep an eye on this too. Okay, so now let's double click on the seed file. As you can see right now, you're going to say transfer, preparing. It's, like I said, it's going to go back. It's going to bring everything. Oh, yeah. And like I said, too, after you do that, I mean, I forgot to do it, but that's okay. You can also, like I said, nuke, but don't do that unless you need to. Go here and then go to your Actually, you know what? Let's do that. But let it open. I'm not gonna do that. As you see, it's downloading all the resources, right? Let me get the other window. See, it's going through all of them and it's downloading all of them. See that? It's working. But before we've done that, we could have went here to the ProjectWise and then to the user, and you can nuke all these. Just boop, select all of them and delete them. Or just delete this one from the beginning, from here, boop, and then delete it. That's an option too. As you can see, it's downloading everything, and I mean everything, because anything that the workspace need, anything that any people are using it for, whatever this workspace and data source need, it will re-download it again, and then it's gonna close that, and then as you can see, operation will work, and it's gonna work fine. So I hope this helped. Okay, well, please have yourself a wonderful day, and yeah, always try these trickeries I just showed y'all. It might help. Okay, thank you.